Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of lunch solutions, specifically tailored for our hardworking nurses out there. If you're a nurse looking for the best lunchbox to keep your meals fresh and ready to go during those long shifts, you're in the right place. Introducing the Coobiiya Lunch Bag Women, a game changer in the realm of portable food storage. Let's delve into why this might just be the perfect lunch companion for nurses. First off, let's talk about size and weight. This lunch bag boasts dimensions of 10.8 by 6.3 by 8.85 inches, providing ample space for your meals without being bulky or cumbersome to carry around. And weighing in at just 0.49 pounds, it won't add unnecessary strain to your already demanding day. But wait, there's more. One of the standout features of this lunch bag is its thoughtful design. With a front zipped pocket for storing utensils, snacks, and other essentials. And a convenient side mesh pocket for drinks or even an umbrella, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk durability. Constructed from high-quality materials and featuring sturdy handles and tight stitching, this lunch bag is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Plus, thanks to its splash-proof design and easy-to-clean interior, you can say goodbye to messy spills and hello to hassle-free maintenance. But functionality aside, let's not forget about style. Available in a range of vibrant colors and featuring a modern and fashionable design, this lunch bag is sure to make you stand out in any setting. Whether you're headed to work, on a picnic, or simply out and about, this lunch bag has you covered. And the best part? Coobiiya stands behind the quality of their product, offering a 12-month refund or replacement guarantee. So you can rest assured that you're investing in a lunch bag that's not only stylish and functional but also backed by a company that cares about customer satisfaction. So there you have it, folks. The Coobiiya Lunch Bag Women, the ultimate lunchtime companion for nurses everywhere. Stay tuned for more product critiques and reviews, and until next time, happy lunching!